Hello to YouTube. So today this lesson is about etiquette. I wanted to teach some manners to accompany the lessons that I've given already, because it's very important that you present the language in the right way. Because if you don't present in the right way, you come off as either arrogant or rude and so forth. So first, let me address people, how you address people. In general, in the United States, you have Mr., Sir, Ma'am, and so forth. But in Ghana, you only call people by their first name if they are in your immediate family. Then, or if you're really, really familiar with the person, you're really cool with them, then you address them by their first name. If not, and if they're your elder or somebody older than you or a stranger, you address them by either brother or sister as a prefix to their name. And we don't literally say brother, we say bra. That's the short term for it. Bra, and then you say their name. So if the name is like Kofi, it'd be Bra Kofi. And if it's a girl, it's sister. So if their name is, I don't know, Caroline, it'll be Sister Caroline. You know, so before you talk to them, you say their name with that prefix. Sister Caroline, Bra Kofi. And usually you only address people by bra and sister if they're your equal age or they're only a few years older than you. So basically they're close to being your peers. That's when you address them like that. However, if they are a lot older than you, they're your elder, it's obviously going to be auntie or ma. So it'll be ma or auntie. So if that's, that's the way you go about doing that. If you address an elder by sister or bra, they will get offended because you're not in their age group, you're not in their age range. You have to give them the respect that they've earned over the years. Another thing is the men. If it's a man that's older than you, a lot older, it's either da. If you have a fatherly relationship kind of with them, it's da, or me pacho papa. And I add an extra word in there. I'll explain that in a minute. But it's usually da, or yeah. So I can't recollect off the top of my head how you address an older man aside from using the word da, but to be on the safe side, if you meet a really older man and he's your elder, like way older, 60s, 70s, so forth, just address them by da before you speak to them. And I'll update this tutorial if I remember exactly what it is, other terms that's used for addressing older males. Another thing is please. I can't stress to you how important please is in the culture. We say please for so many things, and if sometimes there's a sentence that we use please in that if translated literally, it would sound ridiculous because there's so many pleases. But please is so important, and the way you say please is me pa cho ch wo is the ending. Cho me pa cho. So you say please before you ask a question. You say please before you even say the person's name when addressing them, especially if they're strangers. If it's immediate family, it's more lax, but if they're strangers, you're just meeting somebody for the first time, or if you've just barely known someone, it's always me pacho sister Joan or me pacho brother Frederick before you continue with your conversation or say whatever it is that you want to say. So that's the main etiquette lesson that I have for you today, and I hope it's helpful and you'll be able to use it to accompany the previous lessons I've given you for other phrases to say. And I'll make more videos down the line. Thank you so much for subscribing, and have a nice evening / day.